Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Indian fast bowler Mohammed Shami landed in hot waters after startling revelation that could have a huge reformation, as his wife Hasin Jahan has accused the fast bowler maintaining extramarital affair simultaneously. Shami's wife Jahan shared several photos, including screenshot of the fast bowler's alleged chats with many women. Jahan claimed that she found Shami's phone along with some male contraceptive hidden in his BMW car. NYOOOZ Desk.